Good morning, students. My today's subtopic of surface tension is angle of contact. Now, if we take a liquid like water in a glass test tube, then here water stick the glass, means here adhesive force is greater, means force of attraction between water molecules and glass molecules is greater compared to cohesive force. Therefore, here shape of water becomes concave. That is called as concave meniscus. Now, if we take mercury in a glass test tube, as we know that mercury does not stick the glass, here cohesive force is greater, force of attraction between mercury molecules is greater, and therefore its meniscus becomes convex. Now, what is angle of contact? Now, see figure B. Here water is in a glass container. Now, here shape becomes concave. Now, if we draw a tangent to this concave surface at the point of contact between this water and the glass, at this point if we draw a tangent and if we take an angle between this tangent and the glass container, wall of the glass container and inside the liquid, then this angle is acute and it is called as angle of contact. Now in figure A, if we draw the tangent to this convex surface at the point of contact and if we measure the angle between this tangent and the wall of the container inside the liquid, then it is called as angle of contact and it is obtuse for convex surface, means for mercury taken in a glass container. So, what is angle of contact? Angle of contact is defined as the angle between tangent to the curved surface of a liquid at the point of contact and the solid surface and measured inside the liquid. And this angle of contact depends upon the nature of solid and liquid. For concave meniscus it is acute and for convex it is obtuse. Now again significance of theta is same. If the angle of contact is acute, means if its value is less than 90 degree, the liquid sticks to the wall of the glass, means here adhesive force is greater and hence liquid surface is concave, and for example water is taken in a glass container. If angle of contact is obtuse, that is its value is greater than 90 degree, the liquid does not stick the glass and here cohesive force is greater and hence liquid surface is convex. For example, mercury and glass, angle of contact is obtuse. Now if liquid is completely stick the glass, then here the angle of contact is 0. For example, pure water and chloroform, here theta is 0. Now how this convex or concave shape is formed? The formation of concave surface of liquid means here formation of angle of contact. Now when we take a impure water or kerosene in a glass container as shown in figure, now here cohesive force means force of attraction between water molecules is less, and here adhesive force means force of attraction between water and glass molecules is greater. Since this water sticks the glass, here adhesive force is greater, and here vector A means adhesive force, vector C means cohesive force. Therefore, here length of A vector is greater than length of C, since adhesive force is greater than cohesive force. Now, according to law of parallelogram, if we complete the parallelogram and if we draw the resultant of this parallelogram, then this R is towards the adhesive force and it is outside the liquid. Now here liquid molecules near the contact surface must be perpendicular to this resultant, and therefore these liquid molecules rises in upward direction so that resultant is perpendicular to the surface of the liquid, and thus the shape of the liquid surface becomes concave at the point of contact, and such liquid sticks the glass or wet the solid surface. Now formation of convex surface of liquid means formation of obtuse angle of contact. Now if we take a mercury in a glass container, as we know that mercury does not stick the glass, here cohesive force is greater than adhesive force, means force of attraction between mercury molecules is greater compared to force of attraction between mercury and glass molecule. Since mercury does not stick the glass, this glass container pull away the mercury molecules, and here again the C vector, that is cohesive force, is greater than the adhesive force, means vector C is greater than vector A. Length of C is greater than length of A, and again according to law of parallelogram, resultant R is inside the liquid, and again the liquid surface of the liquid molecule should be perpendicular to this resultant, and therefore this liquid surface becomes convex, and these liquid molecules are pulled away from the glass molecule, and thus the surface becomes convex at the surface, and such liquids do not stick the solid surface. Now formation of flat surface of liquid. When pure water is taken in a glass vessel, it is found that the surface of water is perfectly flat. Now see here, when the pure water is taken in a glass container, here the adhesive force experienced at the point of contact by glass is negligible, and a cohesive force is greater, and in this case adhesive force along AP is equal to net resultant force, that is AR, means here adhesive force and resultant force is along the same line. See this figure, here A and R are along the same line, and C is also along the same line, but A is greater than C, and here to make this liquid surface perpendicular to this resultant R, the surface of the liquid becomes flat, so that the angle of contact becomes 0. Now how shape of the liquid drop is formed. Now see here, three different surfaces are taken, and liquid drops are formed on these three surfaces with different shapes. In first figure, here liquid drop is on the cloth. In second, liquid drop is formed on the lip, and in third, liquid drop is formed on the glass surface. Here see the shape of the liquid drop is different in the three different figures and three different surfaces. Now how these different surfaces or liquid drops are formed differently. Now see here, liquid drop is taken on a solid surface, angle of contact is theta, and above this solid surface air medium is there. Now here T1 means along the red line, here surface tension is T1, and it is the surface tension due to solid and liquid interface. Then T2 is the surface tension at solid and air interface, denoted by green line. And T3 is the surface tension due to liquid and air interface, denoted by black line. Now here, if we draw a perpendicular from T3 along the T1, then here right angle triangle is formed, and this red side means it is the adjacent side to this angle of contact theta, and according to cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is T3, we can write this adjacent side is equal to T3 into cos theta. Now this T3 cos theta and T1 is towards right and T2 is towards left. At equilibrium means when this liquid drop becomes steady and it is formed completely, it stops flowing, then equilibrium is there, and at equilibrium T2 is equal to T3 cos theta plus T1. Net left force is equal to net rightward force, and therefore cos theta is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T3. Now see case 1. If T2 is greater than T1, means T2 minus T1 is positive, and T2 minus T1 is less than T3, means numerator is less than denominator, then value of cos theta is positive, and this cos theta is positive when theta is acute, means here angle of contact is acute, and shape of the liquid drop form is as shown in figure. For acute angle of theta. Then second case, if T2 is less than T1, means here T2 minus T1 is negative, numerator is negative, and T1 minus T2 is less than T3, means here this numerator is less than denominator. Then value of cos theta is negative, and this cos theta is negative for obtuse angle. We know that cos of 180 is minus 1, and here shape of the liquid drop is as shown in figure, and angle of contact theta is obtuse. For example, mercury in contact with the solid, and drop form on the leaf as shown in the figure. Then case 3, if T2 minus T1 is equal to T3, means numerator is equal to denominator, then value of cos theta is 1, and thus the angle of contact is 0. As we know that cos of 0 is equal to 1, and it is for water, pure water in contact with the glass container. Then case 4, if T2 minus T1 is greater than T3, means numerator is greater, means cos theta is greater than 1, and which is impossible. Maximum value of cos of angle is 1 or minus 1. Thus liquid spreads over the solid surface and drop will not be formed. Thank you.